This is Nick with City Rockhounding, and we made it to Limestone Park again. As you can see, it's a little different from the last time we were here. All the limestone was all mounded up and pushed over, but now it's all leveled back out. So there should be some new ground to search, new things to find. That's exciting. Thanks for coming along, everyone. Already starting out really strong this morning. Finding some cool stuff. Like this brachiopod shell here. I only typically find these about half this size, maybe even smaller, quarter of the size. Never found one this big before. One of the long brachiopods, not the round ones. That is awesome. So since they leveled out the ground, there's definitely new things to find, which is really exciting. Should be a fun day. This is a really cool place. All these awesome brachiopod shells here. Some nice and big ones too. That's super cool. Definitely grateful for everything we find back here. Super exciting. Those are awesome. Just found this really cool hexagonaria fossil. Awesome structure to that coral there. A little bit of calcite on that side, some iron staining. Beautiful detail on that. That's cool. Backside's just got limestone on it. Really pretty. Sparkly too, but the sun's not out today. It's really cloudy out. You can already see that horn coral there. How cool is that? Really just on the front face there, but that's still really pretty. A nice slice through. How cool. There's some really pretty bryozoan. That's cool. Wow. I like that. Looks like it's just on that one face though, a little bit there too. Nice. Nice detail on that. That's cool. Here's another really cool hexagonaria fossil. Also known as petoskey stones, depending on where you find them and what's in them. That's really cool. Awesome structure. Beautiful. That's a cool one. Here's a cool tiny piece of favosites. Beautiful sidewall structure there. I love that honeycomb pattern on top. That's cool. Nice piece. It's a really beautiful morning out. A little bit of a breeze that feels good. There's just so much limestone here to look through. And so many fossils. Like this really cool one here. Haven't found one of these in a long time. It's a crinoid stem head. A fragment of it. This circle here in the center is where the crinoid stem is attached to it. And there's kind of like a crown up here. That's awesome. Don't find a whole lot of these here, so I'm definitely excited for that. That's super cool. Be nice to find a whole one, but that's the beauty. Here's some more bryozoan. That's pretty stuff. Nice. Really cool detail in that. I like that. Just found this pretty cool piece of horn coral. Nice section view again. That one goes through both sides. How cool. Actually, right in front of our face there. Looks like a brachiopod, a really big one. Nice. It's a whole one too. That's a big boy. Cool. Awesome detail on that one. Just found another really cool hexagonaria fossil. Really pretty structure to it. These are so cool. Awesome detail. Nice. Just found this really cool piece of bryozoan. Lots of this out here today. That's really cool. Really nice detail and structure. I like that. That's pretty. Nice. Here's another hexagonaria. What a great day today. Wow, that's a pretty one. I love it. Here's a bunch more brachiopod shells. Really pretty condition. Whole ones. Awesome. Super cool. Gotta love those. Does anybody see it? I haven't picked it up yet. It's a nice brachiopod, the long kind that I like. Smaller, but still really pretty. Awesome. And it's a whole one. The ends are broke off. Pretty typical, but that's a beauty. Nice. That's a pretty one. I like that. Great detail. Just found this tiny clamshell. That's pretty. Super small. Cute. I love it. It's not whole, but that's still really cool. Finding so many cool things, it's hard to stop. Like this really cool favosites. That's really sparkly. Wish the sun was out a little more. But then again, that breeze feels great. That's an awesome one. Really pretty. Here's another cool piece, hexagonaria, with a really pretty structure. Love that. So cool. Here's another cool piece of horn coral. Looks like a really big piece. Kind of see some of the growth rings there. That's awesome. Nice and big. Cool. Really pretty. Actually, that looks like a giant brachiopod shell there. Clamshell, one of the two. That's huge. Wow. That's really cool. Nice. Here's a bunch more brachiopods. These things are just everywhere. Awesome. Really pretty. Good size. I like those. Last two finds of the day here before we get out of here. this really cool calcite and mica crystal. You can see the calcite on the left, the mica on the right. That's really pretty. Looks like the calcite or the mica might have a little pyrite in there too. Here's a brachiopod shell that's broken open on top. And it's got some calcite inside. That's pretty. I like that. How cool. Well, that's going to do it for today's awesome adventure. I really appreciate everyone stopping by. It means a lot to me. Hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. And we'll see you again soon.